Today, I will teach you how to submit the 2025 CP8D and Borang E on the MyTax Portal. First of all, we need to log in to the employer's MyTax Portal. We recommend using the employer's ID, as it is simpler. The first step is to log in. After successful login, you will see this page. Go to Role Selection and click on Individual. Select Employer and select the company name. CP8D and Borang E are divided into two parts, which means two separate steps. Then the first step will teach you how to submit CP8D. Then we will proceed with the submission of Borang E, as they are two separate submission actions. Go to Easy Hassle Services. Click 𝗙𝗲𝗪𝗍 ECP8D. This page will display your company information. Make sure the details are correct. Then go to the left and click Submission of CP8D. There are two options here. The first option is to manually fill in all employees' CP8D information for 2025. Second option, if you are using a payroll system, for example, SQL Payroll, you can directly export the CP8D file from SQL Payroll and upload it here. Then there is no need to fill it in manually. Next, I will show you how to generate and export the CP8D file directly from SQL Payroll. Open SQL Payroll. Click Payroll above. Select Statutory Reports, Yearly. Select CP8D. Pay attention to the year selection. Although it is now 2026, and we are going to submit the 2025 CP8D and Borang E, so we have to choose the year 2025. Click Apply. Ensure the employee's income distribution records are complete. Then click Save to File in the lower right corner. Choose the save location. You can also click here to select the storage location. Then click Save. Make sure that failed records shows 0. If it is not 0, you need to check the employee's profile to identify the issue. For example, the employee's IC or passport number may be missing. If it shows 0, then there is no problem. You may close the pop-up. Then, we go back to MyTax Portal. Here you can choose the option of Upload CP8D. Select the year, 2025. Click the Select file. Select the file you just exported in SQL Payroll. Click Upload to upload the selected file. A message will appear indicating that the data is being processed. Please wait patiently. After a few minutes, you may try again. Once completed, a confirmation message will pop up. Click anywhere on the blank area to close the pop-up. Next, you must verify the employee details. Then, scroll to the bottom section. Fill in the submitter's name, IC number, and so on. Fill in the designation. Finally, click to confirm submission. On this page, scroll to the bottom. Click Print Confirmation. Click to download and save. Now return to the previous page. Click Main page. Double-check the total number of employees for CP8D 2025. And it should show Submitted, indicating successful submission. If you did not download the confirmation letter earlier, then you can click Search. Select year 2025 here. Click Search. Scroll to the far right. Click on the eye icon. Scroll down and click to download the confirmation slip. You can also export the CP8D details as a PDF. Scroll to the bottom and select Print. You can save it in the ideal place. The CP8D submission is now complete. Next is the second part, the Borang E submission. Click on the logo to return to the home page. Make sure employer is still selected. Go to the top and click on Easy Hassle Services. Click E-Filing. Select E-Form. Select year 2025. Make sure the information is correct. Click Proceed. Check the information after coming to this page. You may update the details if necessary. For the Furnish a CP8D option, the option of via e-data 𝗓𝗲𝗍 eCP8D must be selected. Then click Next. On the next page, fill in the required details. For example, how many new employees you had in 2025 and how many employees remained as of the end of 2025. How do you obtain this information? If you are using SQL Payroll, you can open SQL Payroll. Go to the top and click Payroll. Click Statutory Report Yearly. Select Print Income Tax, CP8D. Select the year 2025 and click Apply. Then click Preview. Select 2025 Borang E Part A. Click OK. SQL Payroll will provide all the required information. You only need to refer to these details. Return to MyTax Portal. Fill in the details provided by SQL Payroll. Click Next when finished. Fill in the information here. Then click Sign and Submit. Fill in your verification number. Click Sign. A message from MyTax Portal system may appear, stating that the system is currently under maintenance. Normally, you may not be able to download Borang E at this stage. So what can we do about it? You can return to the previous page by clicking the logo or back to go to the home page. Then, go to 𝗔𝗲𝗍 Services. Select e-filing. Then select EA Acknowledgement Receipt, as we need to download the record of submission as a proof. Then, in the form type, select E. Confirm the year is 2025. Then click Submit. You will then see the submission acknowledgement. You can re-download it here. I would recommend to download and save the submission proof as future references. Finally, click Print EE to download and save it. You are now completed the submission of CP8D and Borang E. Thank you, and see you in the next video.